For Stratasys, we are actually the leader in the 3D printing space, and we have been working with Inside 3D Conference for a couple of cities as well. So it's actually a great platform for us to create more awareness.
The Inside 3D Printing Conference is a great launchpad for us and very excited to be here. I've been to a number of 3D print conferences around the world, and by far the best series of conferences has always been the Inside 3D.
We're seeing a lot of inquiries, a lot of interest, and this is a great way to talk to a lot of people all in one spot. A lot of people are intrigued and they're seeking information. They want to understand what the opportunities are, what the applications are, and this gives them an opportunity to do that in one spot.
Brilliant. It's actually way better than I ever expected.
Pretty good. A lot of interesting stuff.
Yeah, it's quite impressive actually. It's good to see Australia making a bit of a name for itself.
An exhibitor company anywhere in the world can be assured when they come to one of our shows that they're all going to be run very professionally and be accompanied by a terrific seminar program. There's no other group of trade shows like ours. We now have 12 around the world and growing.